Hello everyone, how are you all doing, guys? Hope you are having a good day. So today I just wanted to review the trade that we took. We caught the gold fall before it happened, and all of this, guys, is no repaint. Okay, guys? The signals that you see right here are no repaint. So as you can see, guys, we caught the gold from 4,100 all the way to 3,880. So it was around a 1,000 pip move, or more of like 1,300 pips move that we caught. And before that, we had also three amazing signals right here. Also, these are no repaint, so when the trend is bullish, we take these buys right here. And these were also, we got the gold uptrend that happened last month. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to update you guys, and now we will see. Probably it will still be bearish. The gold, it will probably bounce to 3,600 maybe, or we could see an uptrend. It will turn to blue right here, and it will rise again. So yeah, guys, if you want to learn more, make sure to check the link in the description for the free signal. If you want me to teach you how to trade with this system right here. And other than that, I see you guys in the next video.